The Twitch leak. By now, you likely know all about it. A platform-wide data leak revealed the earnings of all streamers on the service, and while this is old news at this point, you may have missed that the data led to the discovery of a money laundering scheme worth millions of dollars. Fairly quickly, the Turkish community noticed that some Turkish streamers, who averaged around 40 to 50 viewers per stream, were making quite a bit of money. Once this was discovered, questions began emerging as to how it was possible. Ahmet Caren Sonuç, one of the biggest streamers on the platform in Turkey, discovered the truth as to what was happening. In a series of tweets, he revealed that these streamers, mostly from the Night Online community, were earning around 2,500 USD per day. Along with that, he revealed that they were doing it through money that was laundered through stolen credit cards.